Now, the effects of our own emotions can have a very profound effect in trading, and this is especially evident when we feel immense greed during bouts of winning trades and extreme fear during large losses, especially in volatile markets. Now, as all professional traders would know, the key to success in trading is to have a sound risk management strategies. And this includes having designated stop-loss levels, predefined exit strategies, and sizing of your positions. So in short, we are pretty much entering the trades with a game plan in mind. Now, human emotions tends to change all that, and it usually starts with, okay, maybe I will extend my stop-loss by just about 20 pips. Maybe I'll implement a customized exit just for this trade when we are facing a losing trade. Or when we are in a winning streak, we could go, let's double up this trade since we've been right for the past few trades. And with that, it simply means that we are succumbing to our emotions and letting it change our trading strategy when we definitely shouldn't want to. Literally have a game plan, which is a full trading strategy, and stick to it. Write down the entry rules, the stop-loss mechanisms, the exit rules, and the sizing of positions in a mathematical formula, and stick this piece of paper beside your computer monitor or laptop. And better yet, program these into algorithms and let the execution be performed mechanically. This is of utmost importance. I cannot emphasize how important trading discipline is. Now, it's like ensuring that our safety equipments are all in place and fully secured before we climb a rock wall. And that is how important trading discipline is to any trader, whether it's a serious trader or a professional trader. Alright, there will be times when trades didn't work out and result in losses. Now, take those trades according to plan and move on. Right, recognize that success in trading is simply increasing your probability of winning trades versus losing trades. So this is the first metrics you need to take care of. This is what we call your winning probability. The second metrics that you need to take note of is your reward risk ratio. So take your average profits and divide this versus your average losses. And the results of these two numbers, which is your winning probability and your reward risk ratio, multiply them. So when you do that, you get your trading expectancy. So in the long run, a successful trader is one that actually increases his trading expectancy because he follows his own sound game plan to a T. And a trader that fails is often one that changes his game plan during the emotional roller coaster. Alright, there is this saying that it takes about 10,000 hours to master any skills, and this cannot be more true in the world of trading. So recognize that there is no shortcut to trading and to honing your own trading psychology. And keep practicing, trading, and clock those hours over the years.